Right. Back at the red fin. Me mate. Dead fish there. We were trying to get that for a while, but had no luck. So we're just gonna go just for a fish. Yep. Don't see any fish. Alright. What is that? Hey, there was these massive fish about that big, just, like so many of them just swam straight past. No, before. I don't know where I put my bloodworm from yesterday. The bloodworm from yesterday. I think I still got mine.
Did you put yours in the tackle box?
Yeah, I think so. I had a bit of a bite like before, but let's see how we go here. That's right. Oh, guess what?
What?
You know, yesterday when you left,
Yeah?
my mum said I could stay to 6.
6 p.m. I don't have anything. Yeah, I don't have anything.
Tomorrow. Right.
Did you catch anything in that 6?
No. Everything was like... Oh, there was a turtle over there before. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. I thought you were at the mall looking for your phone.
My phone now. My dad's doing that next week.
Next week? Yeah, fair enough.
Because you know 3X?
CX.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm getting...
If we're allowed, we can ride down to Anaconda.
Yeah? Pretty sure I'm allowed. Probably.
Probably.
My parents wouldn't let me get anything. My dad wouldn't let me go. I just wanted a $10 one tray, what's it called, tackle box.
I need to start bringing a bucket in case I do catch anything.
Yeah.
And
This
a container instead of a can of corn. Because if I open the container, I can just put it back on. Because I opened the can of corn and then I've had
Halfway through and then you
I just had a rod with it open and I spilled so much. Might just put some of them on. Let's see, wigglers. I think so, yeah. Oh, watch out. Bloody big hook on it.
Stop. No, that's not bait holder. No, I think that's an octopus. Yeah, that's an octopus too.
Mm.
I think. Or it could be a suicide.
Suicidal. You love a suicide. I thought that we were meant to be.
Was the yabby the one that you caught yesterday or today?
The little today. It was dead, so I just reached in and got it. And then I started using it as bait for the redfin. Because I was not eating it because there was these little bugs on it. It was over at that lake, I just reached in and got it. Yeah. Come over here. Get off your seaweed. Bro, my Crocs are rubbing. My Crocs are rubbing on my feet.
That we saw yesterday?
Nah. I don't see anything over there. Except for this one tiny fish.
Imagine this big fish comes and get our bait and we just pull it in and pulls us with it.
Love is suicidal. Love is suicidal. I thought that we were meant to. So what phone are you going with?
iPhone 8.
This one?
Nah, not Plus.
Oh yeah.
For me, it was too big.
Fair enough. That was a terrible cast. But if we just look, you'll probably see a big fish swim past if you look careful.
What?
Fish swim past. It's a bit further out, like where they were. But no, like see that piece of seaweed?
Oh, over there.
No, like that piece of seaweed.
This one?
Yeah. They're like there.
I'm gonna try past
That's where they all were. I think they were carp. And on my other videos, we got a few comments
it. Saying what?
saying like, one said like, "G'day, mate," or like, "Have a good day" or something, and then just like stuff about the fish. So, shout out to all the... Oh, shit. Shout out to all the people that commented. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Love your blokes. Those? Where did that go? Yeah, because the bloodworm's so light. And your hook doesn't have that much. Oh, what's that? Did you see that? Oh no, it's just a duck under the water. We can go over to the car. That was terrible pass. I'm just gonna start doing overheads now. I'm gonna see how much the bait cast rods are, but I probably won't get one.
Oh, yeah.
Because this rod's good, but the bait cast will get it really far. I know, how does it get the algae? We should go live.